Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we are going to learn that waves are energy. Waves are means of energy transfer without transporting matter. So first of all, we are going to know what is basically waves. Waves are oscillation accompanied with transfer of energy through medium and space. So as you can see in the diagram, we do have a Salinki spring, in which we are providing a periodic disturbance by vibrating force, which is basically provided with our hand. Now we are continuously moving it up and down periodically, so we can see that waves are being produced, and we can also identify that this kind of wave motion will be transverse. Why? Because particles of the medium that are oscillating up and down, while the disturbance or the wave which is moving rightward direction, making an angle 90 degree between them. So this is basically a transverse wave. Now question arises, how does this provides energy, and the energy is being transferred without transporting matter? So we can see that as the vibrating force from our hand that disturbs the particles of the medium, as in the case of Salinki spring, that is moving up and down only, while the wave is propagating rightward. And we can see that the points on the rings of the Salinki spring that are not moving rightward or leftward, but only moving up or down. In the same way, we can see that the particles are not basically moving from left to right, while the disturbance or the wave is traveling. So it means that medium is not transported, or the particles of the medium does not travel, while the wave is being transferred, as well as energy along with it transferred. Take another example of vibrating rope. You can see that vibrating rope is also moving up and down, means we are providing the driving force, we are creating the periodic disturbance right here in this vibrating rope, that is just move up and down periodically, which causes to produce transverse wave. Question arises, how does it is transverse wave? Because we can see that the particles are oscillating up and down, while the disturbance is being transferred, or the wave propagated towards rightward, and also the disturbance is being transferred towards right. So that is making an angle 90 degree between the particles of the medium and the wave movement. Now question arises, how does it transport energy? So answer is that vibrating force from our hand disturbs the particles of the strings and set them in motion. These particles transfer their energy to the adjacent particle. In a string, energy is transferred from one point to another point. In this way, energy is being transferred in the rightward direction along with the wave propagation, while the particles are oscillating up and down but do not move left to right. So it means that particles are only oscillating, while the energy is being transported left to right along with the wave propagation. Thank you. Hence all the waves transfer energy along with their disturbance, but the particles of the medium they do oscillate through their mean position. Thank you.